Alright guys, what is up? Pretty much in today's video we're going to be doing the 600 mile oil change on the Honda Grom. In this case it's a 2018 Honda Grom. Yeah, it's pretty easy, straightforward. Clean that guy. You take the little bottom screen out, make sure there's none of the chips from the break-in are good. Once you clean that out, you should be good. I'm also going to be upgrading a couple things with it. We're going to be doing a high flow oil pump and then also some EBC clutch springs. They're just the 15% ones, not the 50, just to kind of give it a little bit more bite, I feel, because the clutch is super soft on these bikes. But anyways, let's just jump into this and let's roll.
I have the Honda gasket, the clutch cover gasket. Here's the part number if you guys need it. Got the oil spinner, which is pretty much that guy right there. And then Takegawa high pump, oil pump. I had this on my last bike and I liked it a lot.
Alright, first what we're going to have to do is drain the oil before we can start loosening the side cover. What I like to do is start up the bike, give it a little bit so everything can get moving, and then shut it off. So let's do that really quick. Is this rear set bigger? What the hell? No. Do I have to loosen it? I think I do. It's not fully off, but it's loose. That should be enough. Hopefully for open screws. There we go. And it's off.
You want to make sure both dowel pins are removed from the old oil pump. From pretty much, make sure they're in the oil pump. When I removed my oil pump, there you go. So I only had one in there. The other one was right here in the motor. Yeah, so make sure those guys are removed. There it goes. So also I want to prime my oil pump before installing it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that really quick. So here's the new pump. You want to insert the dowel pins. Bam and bam. So there you go. Here's a quick comparison if you guys want to see. As you can tell, it's significantly, not significantly, but you can definitely tell it's longer. That's why you need to have the different dowel pins to compensate for that. Gear looks like the same thing, same type of plastic, so it's whatever. But, alright, so pretty much priming it. Here's your inlet, here's your outlet, and all you have to do is just turn it with some oil in here to get it going. So once you see oil come out on the other side, it'll be good to go. So, I just start adding. I should probably use some new oil, huh? So now, what I'm gonna do, hopefully this thing works, as you can tell. There we go. So pretty much I'm gonna pour a little bit of oil in there. There you go. So it's poured in. And then once you see oil come out on the other side, we're pretty much primed. Tilting it like an idiot. Oop, there we go. We are now primed. So I can wipe off the residual and put it onto the motor. Make sure your dowel pins are in there before we do this. If I remember how. Also gotta make sure you line up the teeth. And we're looking good. So now, start putting the bolts on. And then these get torqued to 9 foot-pounds. So I will grab my ratchet in a second. Usually if you get the Kitaco cover, this you'll be able to remove it and then torque these bolt, but I think I'm going to have a slight issue with this top bolt hitting the spinner. So I'm going to get them all snug, and then probably I'll have to just snug the bottom or top one. Where's my rack? Where's my 10 mil? I think we're looking good. Yeah, we're looking good. Alright, let me go get my torque wrench.
All right, there you guys have it, folks. Pretty much the 600 mile oil change is done. It looks like I cannot do the springs because the oil spinner gets in the way, and I am not removing the whole oil spinner to put on 6 springs. There's no way it's happening. I'm gonna be ordering the Kitaco cover soon, so when I get that guy, I will be doing the springs then. Right now it looks like we're good. I just gotta make sure no leaks. I'm gonna clean up my big ass mess right here, and then I'll get back to y'all. But we're looking good, so this might end up actually ending the video. Let me show you the oil and the camera. But you get what I mean. Alright guys, I'll talk to you.
For you.